All right, so we are looking at making goals for our benchmark 3. So on this paper, it tells them their benchmark 1 and their benchmark 2 goals, and we are going to be setting a goal for benchmark 3. So you have your goal that you set for this benchmark, so go ahead and look at your goals for this benchmark. All right, and so Peyton, did you make your goal? Yes, you had a goal of 80% and you scored 80%. And Grace, did you make your goal?
Yeah.
No, but
but I know I'm going to make it next time.
Yeah, you're going to make it next time. You only missed it by 3 points because you both were on track last time, so you set a goal for a new percentage. Okay? So we're going to write a goal for benchmark 3. So if you will write my goal for benchmark 3 and set a new goal right there. Yep.
I want to set the same goal.
Okay. I think because you're going to be adding some math skills, so I think since you didn't reach that goal this time, that's a good goal for benchmark 3. All right, let's write that
My
here.
goal what? My goal.
Oh, right here. My goal for benchmark 3 is. I'm not checking it right now. I'll check it a little bit later. Okay. Thank you, though.
For TCAP. Why can't I just write TCAP?
Because we're taking a benchmark 3 before TCAP.
Okay. Last year, it wasn't like.
I'm gonna say
I know.
85.
My back.
I like that. I like that.
My back is shiny.
You know, you're making a video for Dr. Wright to see. Does that change how you want to show your behavior? Very good. All right, so the first skill we are going to do IXL. Okay. Okay. And then I'm going to tell you a specific skill. And then you're going to choose one more that's going to best help you. It's okay. It's okay.
When I show strategies, I practice math because that's what I do.
My mom hasn't very solutions.
I'm gonna say be here every day. I'm gonna try to be here every day.
Okay, sounds great.
What are erasers? I know, but it's a special thing.
Right. Can you finish this right here?
Kind of every day.
Okay. All right. So looking at, you have a list of skills here. The only one that popped up as a 2 that wasn't on track, I'm going to write here is division. So when you do IXL, that's the skill I want you to work on. So I'm just going to note it here. But that doesn't mean to forget your other skills, but that one's just going to be a priority. Okay. You can put it back in your folder here.
Mostly I just need to write focus because I need to focus more.
Okay, sounds good.
And I think I made my goal.
I know. That was great. All right, thank you. Got it?
Yep.
Thank you.
I'm just going to write the word focus.
Okay.
IXL.
Well, IXL goes here.
And this is one of the strategies.
Right, so put my strategies are down here. So IXL.
I wrote focus up here.
That's okay. You put focus and 80% because that was your goal on the last one.
Focus 80%.
Yep.
Which means like I want to get 80%.
Yep. So put IXL here. And then you set
What do I do
focus.
here?
You can just put a number 1. And then a number 2 there.
I really want.
Okay. And then put a 2 here. Okay, and you said you wanted that one to be focus as well, right? That's one of our strategies, focus. Put a focus there. That way you can track. Did you feel like you focused today? Because that's what's going to help help you be successful. So the only thing also on yours is division is the strategy that you got level 2.
Division.
Well, we're going to work on those strategies and we will get better at it. Well, we're going to get better at it. Okay? All right. You are finished, ma'am. Thank you.